Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary. Today, we are talking about something very important for new mothers: breastfeeding pumps. 3. Electric double pumps. These pump both breasts at the same time. They save time, increase milk flow, and are great for working moms or mothers who pump often. Some modern pumps are. Whether you are a first-time mom or already experienced, understanding how pumping works can make breastfeeding easier, more comfortable, and more flexible. This video will guide you through the types of pumps, their benefits, how to use them, and safety tips every mom should know. Lightbulb: what is a breastfeeding pump? Narrator. A breastfeeding pump is a device that helps a mother remove milk from her breasts. It can be used for many reasons. Moms use breast pumps. Narrator. Mothers use pumps for different situations. When returning to work or school. When the baby cannot latch properly. To relieve